To begin installation, you will need the following tools: a Phillips or flathead screwdriver, a voltmeter, and wire strippers. Turn the power off from the circuit breaker for this switch. Remove the existing wall plate. Unscrew the existing light switch. Carefully pull the switch out of the wall as the contacts may still be live. Double check if the power is off with a non-contact voltage tester. Disconnect the existing wiring. If the wires are in poor condition, cut out and strip insulation for new wiring. Connect the black wire on the switch to the hot wire. Connect the white wire on the switch to the neutral wire. Connect the red wire on the switch to the load wire. Connect the green wire on the switch to the ground wire. Place the HET06 into the junction box. Screw the timer in place. Screw on the wall plate. Finally, turn your breaker on from the main panel. Press and release one of the preset buttons with the desired time to turn the load on for that selected amount of time. Press the manual button to turn the load off or turn it on and reset the previously selected timer preset. You can have the load stay on by holding the manual on button for 4 seconds. The load will turn on and stay on.